Hi guys, welcome back to KCK Online Videos. It's your girl Blondie, and I'm super excited to have each and every single one of you back. If you're new here, you are most definitely welcome. Guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove a watermark from your video or from your picture. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. But before we continue, please click on the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more content like this. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section down below to let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions. Thank you so much, and let's get right into today's video. See, I'm already on my Canva page, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose a size of an Instagram because the content I'm creating, I want to post it on my Instagram, on my social media. So I'm just going to come here and I click on Instagram post. Then once I'm here, I'm going to go to the download button. Then I'm going to upload the file I want to work with. So there is this video of Blondie that I want to work with. Once it's done uploading, I'm going to click on it. Then it will come here. Hi guys, welcome back to KCK Online Videos. It's your girl Blondie. So I'm going to zoom it in. I'm just going to drag it. Sorry. I'm going to drag it so it can fit the text box. Just like that. Like you can see, I already created this video in my DID app. So there is a logo, just like you can see, the DID logo. So the first option I'm going to give to you is you can click on this picture. Sorry, you can click on the video or the picture. This works for both the video and the picture. So you can click on it here. Then you can zoom it in like that. You see? That's the first option. Is you can cover up this logo with your own logo. So I'm just going to come here to images, then I'll scroll down to find my logo. It's here, KCK. Then I'll just make it smaller. I'll drag it like that. Then I'll place it here to cover the DID logo. You realize that your logo is attached to the video. So once you're happy with how that looks, you can just come here and scroll down. Then you click on the download button. Then you download your video or image. Don't forget that the steps we've taken can be used both on videos and on pictures. In knowing how we create these images and make them speak, make them sing, have life. We have a full video that will guide you to how you can create your own images and turn them into avatars. Description down below. Please just click on them right after this video to watch the videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell, like the video, and share the video, comment the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.